Left track hook.
Tonight, we are going to witness the most anticipated match in the history for the heavyweight championship of the world and the millions watching around the world. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Left hook when we start up. Get shook, that's the look of a target. I see the duck in the weave of an eyes. Step up to the ring in the darkness. I